Hey, I'm Mike Darling. I'm here with how to replace a light. So most of the time, when you see these lights installed, so we got TrueScapes or we got Hardscape Essentials lighting. A lot of people, when they're installing these lights, they just grind a groove right behind the light to feed. All right, that's the normal way of doing it. That everybody's doing it, and now I'm here to show you the correct way or an alternative way of doing it, because even though that these lights and these TrueScape lights and these Hardscape and Essential lights, they have a 15-year warranty, they're made by humans and there is human error involved. So the correct way of doing this is you want to take the opposite. So if the wire comes in on this side, you want to measure across, which is on this one is 4 inches, and you want to put a groove where you're going to put this in here. So I'm going to grab this goat blade. So now we made another groove on the other side. So you would take this wire, you would put it behind the light just like this, feed it back through, and it would go in the other groove. Now the reason for this is if this ever comes apart or blows, it's an easy fix. So now, just like this one, it has 2 screws underneath. And you would undo the screws from underneath the cap, and I'll show you how easy it is in a minute to do it while it's in place. So you loosen those up and they just spin right off. So now if you can picture this light before is being like there, so this cannot move. And if it goes on this side, you can just pull the light out, cut the wire right here. Now you have 4 inches of wire left. So now you have an inline splicer that you could put on this, and you just splice it, put a new one, and put it back in just like that. And you do all this while it's in place. I'll show you how quick and easy it is. So you would pull this out just like so. Now look how much play you got. You would snip the wire, reattach the new one, put it back in, snip it back in just like so, and now you're back in business. You don't even need to put the screws in theoretically, but if you want to, put the screws back in and you're back in business. So there you go, trick of the day.